The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. It is about 4.5 billion years old, nearly as old as Earth. The Moon is 384,400 kilometers, 238,855 miles away from Earth. Its diameter is about 3,474 kilometers, 2,159 miles. The Moon is about 1/4 the size of Earth. It has only 1/6 of Earth's gravity. The same side of the Moon always faces Earth, tidal locking. The far side of the Moon is often incorrectly called the dark side. There is no atmosphere, so the sky is always black. Temperatures range from -173 degrees Celsius at night to +127 degrees Celsius during the day. There is water ice in permanently shadowed craters. The Moon has quakes, called moonquakes, caused by tidal forces. It takes 27.3 days to orbit Earth. A lunar day, sunrise to sunrise, lasts about 29.5 Earth days. The Moon is slowly moving away from Earth at about 3.8 centimeters per year. Its surface is covered with dust, called regolith. The largest crater on the Moon is the South Pole Aitken Basin. The Moon has been visited by 12 astronauts between 1969 and 1972. Neil Armstrong was the first human to step on it, 1969. No human has visited the Moon since 1972. The Moon affects Earth's tides. Without the Moon, Earth's tilt and climate would be unstable. The Moon appears bigger when it's near the horizon, an optical illusion. Supermoons occur when the full moon coincides with perigee, closest approach. A lunar eclipse happens when Earth casts its shadow on the Moon. Black holes, 25 facts. A black hole is a region where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. They form from the collapse of massive stars. The boundary around a black hole is called the event horizon. The point of infinite density inside is called a singularity. Black holes do not suck. Objects must cross the event horizon to be trapped. Time slows down near a black hole due to intense gravity, time dilation. Stellar black holes can be just a few solar masses. Supermassive black holes exist in the centers of galaxies. The Milky Way has one at its center called Sagittarius, a star. Black holes can merge, releasing gravitational waves. Stephen Hawking predicted they emit radiation, Hawking radiation. Many black holes may have formed in the early universe. Black holes can spin, dragging space-time with them, frame dragging. The first black hole candidate discovered was Cygnus X1. Black holes can only be detected indirectly, via effects on nearby matter. They can form accretion disks of hot gas spiraling inward. Jets of particles can shoot out at nearly the speed of light. Black holes can grow by consuming matter and merging with others. Some black holes are billions of times the Sun's mass. The event horizon is not a physical surface. The larger the black hole, the less intense the tidal forces at the event horizon. The first image of a black hole was released in 2019, M87 star. Gravitational lensing can make light curve around black holes. Nothing, not even information, can escape once inside the horizon. Black holes may eventually evaporate over trillions of years. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Venus is the hottest planet due to its thick atmosphere. Earth is the only known planet with life. Mars is called the red planet because of iron oxide on its surface. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn has the most spectacular ring system. Uranus rotates on its side at a 98-degree tilt. Neptune is the windiest planet, with winds over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Pluto is classified as a dwarf planet. Mercury has almost no atmosphere. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Jupiter has at least 95 moons as of 2025. Saturn's moon Titan has lakes of liquid methane and ethane. Uranus was discovered in 1781 by William Herschel. Neptune was discovered in 1846 by mathematical prediction. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a giant storm that has lasted for centuries. Saturn could float in water because it's less dense than water. Earth's atmosphere is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets. Mars once had liquid water on its surface. Neptune emits more heat than it receives from the Sun. The Kuiper Belt contains icy bodies beyond Neptune. Exoplanets are planets orbiting other stars. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered in recent decades. Space begins about 100 kilometers above Earth, the Kármán line. Space is a near-perfect vacuum. Temperatures in space vary from near absolute zero to millions of degrees. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years across. Light travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second, 186,000 miles per second. The Sun is a medium-sized star, a G-type main sequence star. The Milky Way contains 100 to 400 billion stars. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth.